So dear students, this is human heart and its working mechanism. So first of all, we understand little bit about the external structure of the heart. What is the function of heart? Heart pumps the blood to every corner of the body. Heart pumps the blood. Today we will study external structure, internal structure and the way of circulation, course of circulation. So before we go ahead, we understand internal structure, we should know about the morphology also. Heart is a triangular structure. It is located in chest cavity, in between both the lungs. It is pink in color, like the soap of life wine. We see externally, it is almost triangular. There are two auricles on the upper side and two big chambers, they are known as ventricles on the lower side. This one is left auricle, this one is right auricle. I have not labeled, but you have to understand, you have to add in your notes. This one is left auricle, this one is right auricle. This one is left ventricle, this one is right ventricle. Both auricles are separated by a partition, interauricular septum, this one. Similarly, ventricles are also partitioned, separated by similar but little bit long partition. It is interventricular partition. I hope it is clear. Heart pumps blood to every corner and blood brings oxygen to every cell, carries CO2 from every cell. Blood sells nutrients to every cell. Blood collects waste product from every cell. So all these things are done for heart also. Heart also needs oxygen. Heart also produces CO2. So pure blood, I mean oxygenated blood, is supplied to heart by coronary artery. It is mentioned here. This coronary artery supplies oxygen, supplies nutrients to heart. Then CO2 is produced, I mean deoxygenated blood. That blood is collected by dot structure. It is known as coronary vein. I hope it is clear. This question is asked in competitive exams also, in ICSE also. It's a very important question. What is coronary artery? What is coronary vein? Sometimes our blood gets internal clot. So this clot reaches in the coronary artery during blood supply. If it is bigger in size, it blocks the supply to heart. Then person gets heart attack. There are many reasons for a heart attack, but out of many reasons, this blood clot in the coronary artery is also one reason and very important reason. So heart attack due to the blockage of coronary artery, that is known as coronary thrombosis. It is enough for up to class 10. We know that arteries supply pure blood, veins carry impure blood. Impure blood is also reaching in the heart. Pure blood is also supplied, pumped to every cell. From every organ, every cell, blood comes inside the heart, while the biggest vein, that is known as vena cava. All the veins, they unite together and they make three biggest veins. They are known as vena cava. Vena cava is plural, cava is singular. One is on the lower side, I mean this ventricle side, and 2 are on upper side. It is anterior vena cava. I write down the number to make more and more clear. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So, but I am labeling only one side is left to label. It is not possible in diagram. So this is this one is anterior side, this one is posterior. So this is the biggest vein. It is known as posterior vena cava due to the location on posterior side. It is known as anterior vena cava because of its location on anterior side. Anterior vena cava brings the blood from those parts, those organs of the body which are above the heart, on the upper side of the heart. I mean head, brain, ear, nose, eyes. So these are the organs from where blood is brought inside the heart, that is right arm. So in anatomy you will see all these 3 vena cava, 1, 2 and 3, they open into right auricle while they are independent openings. Another name of anterior vena cava is superior vena cava. What is the reason behind the superior? Maybe this one, that it is bringing blood from the upper parts. Our location is on the upper side, so it may be superior vena cava. And this one is inferior vena cava. So you keep this thing in your mind. Heart is covered externally by a membrane. It is known as pericardium. And this inside this membrane is heart membrane. So one fluid is filled in between heart membrane and pericardium. That fluid is pericardial fluid. What is the function of this fluid? This fluid protects the heart from shocks and jerks. I hope it is clear. Question is asked, what is the function of pericardial fluid? Question is asked, what is the function of coronary artery? Question is asked, what is the function of vena cava? So all these things are clear, I hope. Now we explain internal structure. On whiteboard I have sketched this diagram. It is not very clear, it may not be up to the mark, but I will attach a big diagram that is drawn on blackboard, and it is along with notes. You will get it. You can use it for making your notes. This is heart, internal longitudinal section, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles. Now what happens? Vena cava, it is clear to you. Heart is getting impure blood. By 3 vena cava, this one is inferior, these two are superior. So all these vena cava, they open into right auricle by independent openings, I have told you. At the junction of left auricle and left ventricle, 2 valves are there. These are known as bicuspid valve. Another name of these valves is mitral valve. And on another side, I mean on right side, at the junction of auricle and ventricle, same valves. What number is 3? So they are known as tricuspid valve. Now blood from 3 vena cava, it is brought into the right auricle. Now right auricle fills with blood, its volume increases. Then these valves get closed, tricuspid valves open, and this blood comes into the right ventricle. Now what happens? Now right ventricles, they get blood, their volume is increased. Now they will contract, and this blood reaches to this place, and from this place it goes to lungs and artery which sends this blood, this is impure blood, to lungs, it is known as pulmonary artery. Remember, this question is asked, pulmonary artery is an exception. All the arteries, they carry pure blood, oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery carry impure blood, deoxygenated blood. It comes into the lungs. Inside the lungs, CO2 is removed, oxygen is added, then blood is purified. This pure blood, we can call it as oxygenated blood, is brought back into the left auricle. It is known as pulmonary artery, exceptional case. It is known as pulmonary vein, it is also exception. All the veins carry impure blood, what this vein carries pure blood. This blood comes in the left auricle. Now volume of left auricle increases, then bicuspid valves open, this blood comes from left auricle to left ventricle. Left ventricle now contracts, and this blood is sent to different parts of the body by this aorta. So this is the working mechanism of heart. One question is asked about the location of valves, and all that you will answer. Why ventricles are thick-walled, auricles are thin-walled? You can guess. Ventricles, they pump the blood to different parts. This blood is impure, this blood is pure. This left side is having pure blood, right side is having impure blood. There is no mixing. This blood goes to lungs, and from the lungs blood comes, then this blood goes to body parts. So this is known as double circulation without any mixing. That is a very advanced feature. This feature is found in birds and mammals. So if you understand this thing, if you make notes, if you revise this thing, you will attempt all the necessary questions for the board exam of ICSE. And this circulation not only helps in ICSE, but it is also useful for CBSE also, and NEET also, and for other competitive exam also. But I have focused more on ICSE. I hope everything is clear. In case if you feel any problem, you can send me a message on my number. I will reply in time.